In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to void a Xero invoice in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Xero or you've been using it for a while, sometimes mistakes happen or situations change and you need to void an invoice. Don't worry, the process is straightforward and I'll walk you through it step by step. First things first, you need to go to the Xero homepage. This is where your journey to voiding an invoice begins. Simply open up your preferred internet browser and type in the Xero website URL. Once you're on the Xero homepage, locate the login button. You'll find it on the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. This action will take you to the login screen where you're required to enter your credentials. At this stage, you're prompted to type in your email and password. Make sure you enter the details associated with your Xero account correctly. It's these credentials that will grant you access to the back end of your Xero account. After entering your email and password, it's time to hit the login button. Clicking this will officially take you into your Xero dashboard, where you can manage all aspects of your accounting, including invoices. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the Business tab. Depending on your screen size and the device you're using, this might look slightly different, but generally it's located on the top navigation bar. Hover over or click on the Business tab to reveal a drop-down menu. From the presented options under the Business tab, you'll want to click on Invoices. This action will redirect you to the invoice management area of Xero. Here you can view all your invoices, whether they're draft, awaiting payment, or paid. Next, you're going to focus on invoices that are awaiting payment. To access these, click on Awaiting Payment. This will filter your invoices, showing you only those that have been issued but not yet settled by the client or customer. Now find the specific invoice you wish to void from the list under Awaiting Payment. It might be helpful to have the invoice number or the client's name handy to facilitate your search. Once you've located the right invoice, click on it to open the detailed view. Within the invoice details page, look for the overpayment options. This might seem a bit misleading since you're looking to void the invoice, but bear with me. The next step will clarify things. Click on Overpayment Options to proceed to the next stage of the process. After clicking on Overpayment Options, your next action is to click on Void. This is the crux of the process. By selecting Void, you're essentially telling Xero that this invoice should be considered null and void, removing it from your active invoices list and adjusting your financial records accordingly. The final step in voiding your Xero invoice is to confirm your action. After clicking on Void, a dialog box will appear asking you to confirm that you indeed want to void the invoice. Here is where you click on OK to finalize the process. Congratulations, you've just voided an invoice in Xero. Remember, voiding an invoice is a significant action that directly affects your financial reporting, so it's always a good idea to double check that you're voiding the correct invoice before confirming. A few tips to keep in mind. Always communicate with your client or customer if you're going to void an invoice they're expecting. It helps maintain transparency and trust in your business relationships. Also, if you make a mistake, Xero allows you to reinstate voided invoices, but it's easier to avoid errors from the outset. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Whether you're cleaning up your books or correcting an error, knowing how to void an invoice in Xero is a handy skill. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.